Hi, myself Sundaram sir, and today I'm going to explain you a few question of from system of linear equations 12th class. Theory part I have already given you. I've already given you the video also, notes also. Now I am going to take a few example of different types of the question. Question is, using matrices, solve 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z is equal to 4. 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is equal to 1. 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z is equal to 2. And in the question it is given that x, y, z not equal to 0. Why? Because if x, y, z is equal to 0, then all the equations are undefined. So in such type of question, what our first priority is, first of all, you convert these reciprocals into the normal variable. So how can you do that? To let 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by y is equal to v, 1 by z is equal to w. So above equation converted into 2u plus 3v plus 10w is equal to 4. 4u minus 6v plus 5w is equal to 1. 6u plus 9v minus 20w is equal to 2. 2u, 3v, 10w, 4u minus 6v plus 5w, 6u, 9v minus 20w is equal to. Now our variables change to u, v, w. So here the value of x is u, v, w. Value of a is 2, 3, 10, 4, minus 6, 5, 6, 9, minus 20. And the value of b is 4, 1, 2. So again this question is going to solve by the category 1 question. So what is the value of determinant of a? So expanding along first row. See, first row. In first row there are 3 entries, 2, 3, 10. So what we have to do? We have to find the minor of 2, minor of 3 and minor of 10. And after finding the minor of these 3 entries, multiply with the entry and then add accordingly. So 2 into its minor is, it falls into the first row and the first column. So its minor is 120 minus 45. 120 minus 45. Since this is odd position, so its minus sign is minus. And what is the minor of 3? The minor of 3 is deleting first row and second column. So minus 80 minus 30. Minus 80 minus 30. Now plus 10. Deleting first row and third column. 36 plus 36. So in this way we can obtain as 2 into, I think, 5, 7 minus 3 into minus 110 plus 10 into 72. If you, so 150 plus 330 plus 720. Together, all together give 1200, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Now, our next step is to find the cofactor of A. So, this is C11. This is C12. This is C13. Only difference is that here, since this is odd position, so the sign of C12 is going to change. So C11 is 75, C12 is 110, C13 is 72. What is C21? Delete second row and first column. So minus 60, minus 90. So it is 150. C22, delete second row, second column. To minus 40, minus 60, minus 100. C23, deleting second row, third column. Second row, third column. 9 2s are 18, minus 18. It is 0. C31, deleting third row and first column. So 5 3s are 15 plus 60. It is 75. C32, third row, second column. So 5 2s are 10 minus 40. It is 30. Or C33 is minus 12, minus 12, minus 24. Minus 24. So next step is to find the adjoint of A. So adjoint A is equal to 75, 110, 72, 150, minus 100, 0, 75, 30, minus 24, and its transpose. Adjoint is obtained by transpose of cofactor of given matrix. So this can be written as again 75, 110, 72, 150, minus 100, 0, 75, 30, minus 24. So what is the value of X? A inverse B. So it is 1 by 1200. I think I have not mentioned the A inverse, sorry. So A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A, or it is 1 by 1200, 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, minus 24. And the last is X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse 1 by 1200, 75, 150, 75, 110, minus 100, 30, 72, 0, minus 24, and then 412. And if you perform the calculation, so the value of X, Y, Z is equal to 1 by 1200. So 74, 4 are 300, plus 150, plus 150. Then 440 minus 100 plus 60. I think 440 minus 100 plus 60. Then 288 plus 0 plus 0 minus 48. So this is 1 by 1200. This is 600. This is 400. This is 0, 4, 2. So I think this is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. So value of U, V, W. Here also the value of U, V, W. So U is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by X. So X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 3, Z is equal to 5. So this is the complete solution. This is the complete solution of this question. Okay. Now I move to the another question. If you find any problem, please go to my channel, give the comment or contact me so that I can make you understand. The second question is, use the product one minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4, minus 2 0 1, 9 2 minus 3, 6 1 minus 2, 2 find or to solve following system of equations. Equations are x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 1. This is x minus y, not 2y. 2y minus 3z is equal to 1. 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 2. You all know that for solving this question, we need A inverse of the coefficient. If you say minutely, the first matrix itself represents the coefficient of given equation. 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4, 3 minus 2 4. So our aim is to find the A inverse by using this product. In such type of question, we don't need to find the determinant A, then the cofactor, then the adjoint, then the A inverse, nothing. We simply use this given product to find the A inverse. That's how this question is different from the other question. Okay, and this is very easy. This question is very easy because if you suppose A is equal to solution. Suppose A is 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 2, 4. C is minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. And if you perform the calculation AC, product, if I want to find the product of AC, then in this way you can getting 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what we are observing, the value of AC is identity matrix. But this happens only when A inverse is equal to C. So by using this product, see how easily the inverse of capital A is evaluated here. And A inverse itself equal to given value of C. Okay, so we can now write x is equal to A inverse B, or x is equal to A inverse is equal to C, and the value of C is minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. This is A inverse, and what is B? 1, 1, 2. Just perform the multiplication, you can get the value of x, y, z. This is equal to minus 2 plus 0 plus 2, 9 plus 2 minus 6, 6 plus 1 minus 4. Or this is equal to 0. I think 9 to 11 minus 6, 5, 6, 1, 7, 4, 3. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, z is equal to 3. So this is a different question from other three categories. This is like really different question, and whenever you see the language of the question, like use the product or find the product to solve the equation, it means there is no need of going through all the adjoint, A inverse, cofactor, or no, you use the product to find the A inverse. That's the motto of this question. Okay. Now, last one, but not the least one, the category, the type of question is word problem. Word problem means the situation is given in terms of sentences, and we use our brain memory to convert those sentences into the three given variable x, y, z. And once you find the equation, once you find the system of linear equation, then you can proceed accordingly by the first type of question. So I am taking a question, page number 308, R.S. Agrawal. Example 10. The question is, a school wants to award its student for the value of honesty, regularity and hard work with a total cash award of rupees 6,000. So we can suppose for honesty a school is awarded rupees X, for regularity a school is awarded rupees Y, and for hard work a school is awarded rupees Z. So according to the first sentence, X plus Y plus Z is equal to 6,000. Now, 3 times the award money for hard work. The hard work is Z. So 3 times the Z, 3 times the award money for hard work added to that given for honesty amount to 11,000. So according to question, X plus 3Z is equal to 11,000. Then the award money given for honesty and hard work. Honesty and hard work means X plus Z. Together double the one given for regularity. That is X plus Z is equal to 2Y, or X minus 2Y plus Z is equal to 0. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation, and this is third equation. So how can you write the value of A here? The value of A is 1, 1, 1, then 1, 0, 3, then 1 minus 2, 1. This is the value of A. The value of X is X, Y, Z, and the value of B is 11,000. 6,000, 11,000 and 0. And you can proceed in previous manner, the way we can solving many question. So what problem is very easy? Only problem is that you cannot able to understand or comprehend the language of sentences that is given in the question. So it's depend upon your memory, your knowledge of English language, English communication. And one thing you must keep in your mind, the language of mathematics is always not understood by the many of the students. I don't know why, because they are saying that I am a student of English medium, or rather they are not able to understand the language of mathematics. So this is his or her problem, what I can do. So tata, bye bye. We can meet in next video session. Thank you.